Have you noticed that some 20-year-old Mercedes cars are still running smoothly, while many newer vehicles already have expensive problems? If you're looking for a luxury car that can last for years without draining your wallet, today's list might save you thousands of dollars. Let's look at 6 Mercedes models that could easily outlive many new cars in 2026. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz W204 E-Class. The W204 E-Class is often considered one of the last Mercedes models that perfectly balanced modern features with long-term reliability. Produced between 2007 and 2014, this generation still looks stylish today and doesn't feel outdated inside. One of its biggest strengths is its naturally aspirated engine options. These engines were designed for smooth performance and durability, rather than squeezing out every possible horsepower. Another advantage is its relatively simple design compared to newer luxury cars. It still uses physical buttons for many controls, reducing the risk of expensive electronic failures. Parts are widely available, maintenance is straightforward, and many owners report driving these cars well beyond 200,000 miles with proper care. If you want a Mercedes that feels modern without becoming a repair nightmare, the W204 is a strong choice. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz W211 E-Class. The W211 E-Class remains a favorite among Mercedes enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Built from 2002 to 2009, it combines luxury, comfort, and reliability in a way few executive sedans can match. The ride quality is excellent, making long highway trips incredibly comfortable. What makes the W211 special is that it still comes from an era when Mercedes focused heavily on durability. The naturally aspirated engine versions are known for lasting a very long time when maintained properly. Parts are easy to find, and repair costs are often much lower than those of newer luxury vehicles. Many examples on the road today have already proven their reliability through years of real-world use, making the W211 one of the smartest used Mercedes purchases in 2026. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class. When people talk about legendary Mercedes reliability, the W124 is usually near the top of the list. Built during the late 1980s and early 1990s, this car was created during a period when Mercedes engineers were famous for overbuilding their vehicles. The result was a sedan that earned a reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. The W124 uses durable mechanical systems and avoids the complex electronics found in modern vehicles. Because of this, many repairs are simpler and easier to diagnose. Even decades after production ended, countless W124s are still being used as daily drivers around the world. That alone says a lot about their quality. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz W201 190E. The W201, better known as the 190E, may be smaller than the other cars on this list, but it has built a reputation as one of the toughest Mercedes models ever made. Mercedes invested heavily in engineering this car, giving it a strong chassis, dependable suspension, and reliable engines. The car was designed to handle years of use without major issues. Unlike many modern luxury cars, the 190E keeps things simple. There are fewer electronic systems to fail, which means fewer unexpected repair bills. It may not offer giant screens or advanced driver assistance technology, but it provides something many buyers value even more: reliability and predictability. That's why the W201 remains a favorite among classic Mercedes fans. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz W220 S-Class. The W220 S-Class often gets overlooked, but it deserves more credit than it receives. Produced between 1998 and 2005, it delivered flagship luxury at a time when Mercedes was pushing technology forward. While some heavily optioned versions developed a mixed reputation, carefully maintained examples can still be excellent vehicles. The naturally aspirated engine models tend to age better and offer fewer long-term problems. When properly cared for, the W220 delivers exceptional comfort, a quiet cabin, and a premium driving experience that still feels impressive today. One of the biggest advantages in 2026 is value. Many W220 models can be purchased for surprisingly affordable prices, giving buyers access to luxury features that once belonged only to high-end executives. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz W212 E-Class. The W212 E-Class is often viewed as one of the last truly durable modern Mercedes sedans. Built from 2009 to 2016, it refined many of the strengths of the W211 while improving overall quality and reliability. It offers a comfortable ride, strong highway performance, and a cabin that still feels modern by today's standards. Unlike many newer vehicles packed with increasingly complex technology, the W212 strikes a balance between modern convenience and long-term dependability. Mechanics frequently praise its durability, especially in models equipped with proven engine and transmission combinations. Many owners continue to rack up high mileage with minimal major issues. For buyers who want a Mercedes that feels modern, Without taking on the risks of the latest technology, the W212 is one of the safest bets available. The 6 Mercedes models on this list come from different eras, but they all share one important quality. They were built to last. Which Mercedes would you trust to be your daily driver for the next 10 years? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest automotive content. See you in the next one.